Well, hello Rusty Gang, and welcome to the Rusty Scale Show. My name is Chris Veja, and today I'm not working with my airbrush or any other brush or some weathering products or paints or whatever. No, today I'm working with these tools here. Check it out. Yeah, that's what I'm working, and you know what I'm doing? I'm cutting the art out of the box art. Yeah, that's right. I'm taking the art out of the box art because I saw this lately on an Instagram post. Unfortunately, I don't remember the name of the guy who did it, but that's something that when I saw it, I thought like, yeah, exactly the same thing I have to do. I have to copy you because it's a very good idea. Because I'm one of those guys who cannot throw away the box and the spare parts and everything after I finish the build. I have to keep everything. So besides the box, I also keep the spare decals, the spare parts, the instructions. Actually, the only thing that I throw away really are the empty sprues and those safety notice sheets, you know. I throw those things, I get rid of. The rest, I gotta keep. And I have here a few of the boxes, you see, and you know, I just deattached everything, you know, deattached it. This was the box like that, and I just deattached it, and I stored it like this. Now I saw it on Instagram that one guy, he's cutting out the box art and just keeps the box art. Look here. Afterwards, you have these cards. You know, that's the, what is it? The camel card. That's another card. That's the Spitfire card, another card, the Bloch card, Blocher or something. This is a very, very poor card. It has not much value. Same with this one. Oh, this has good value. That's a Typhoon card. So you have all these cards, and it's much easier to store it actually. And yeah, it's beautiful. I don't know. I can't throw away these things. Here I even kept this. But that's actually against the rules. I have to cut it out. I was thinking to keep it because you see the variations of the versions, but it's against the rules. I have to cut it. That's it. So there you go. Now you're curious. You want to see how it's done? Let me show you. This away. Switch on the light. Yeah. Okay. So this is how it's done. You just cut it out alongside where it was folded. Oh, just cut it out alongside where it was folded. 4 cuts, and that's it. And while I was doing this, I had to turn on the camera because I was wondering about you guys. How do you do it? Do you throw away everything, or you store some parts, or the spare parts, or the box art? What do you do? How do you do it? Please leave a comment in the comment section down below and let me know. I love hearing from you guys, and also the algorithm seems to love comments, but that's not the real reason. The real reason is because I'm interested in your opinion. I want to know how you guys do it. Okay, now here I have another very old one. This kit I built long time ago. Was really actually to practice. Some of you may know this kit. Some people are asking if this is maybe the worst kit of all times. And yeah, it's possible, but look at it. I mean, even the box art, this is really ugly. I mean, the version of this aircraft is ugly. The shape of this aircraft is very ugly. It's not the original Focke-Wulf, like the original, I mean the famous one. This is the 152H. It's such an ugly. And the kit also is very bad. It's a very bad kit. And yeah, but on the other hand, I gotta say, I don't know how about the prices in other countries, but I bought this for 4.99 euros. Okay, 4.99 euros. So I don't know what you think that you can expect of a kit which looks as ugly as this. Is a very old Revell, a very old, I don't know the year at the moment, I will have to check ScaleMates, but it's a very old kit. It's 4.99. I mean, come on, man, what do you expect? I'm not sure. this one here, you know, here we have a little bit a different case. This is an Italeri Spitfire kit, the one with the pointy wings. Some people really dislike Spitfires with pointy wings. But anyhow, I was building it. Yeah, I'm sorry, I still had to build it. But this one cost me 11.90 Swiss francs, which is almost the same as euro. Sometimes the euro is a bit higher than the Swiss franc, but at the moment, for instance, it's not the case. So this kit was not really good. So 11.90, I don't know, maybe a bit high of a price. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna proceed until I have cut out all the art of the box art, and it will be much easier for me to store it, because now it didn't took a lot of space really, but yeah, I mean, you got this here, you know, it's with all this, I don't know, ears and these how do you call that, a leash or I don't find the word at the moment, but you know what I mean. It's fiddly, it's stupid, it don't really fit in unless, yeah. So this is much better. Again, come back here. Wait, so, okay. So again, the guy on Instagram who did this, it was like a few weeks ago, or, I mean, it's 1 week when I record the video, but I don't know when the video will be released. So thanks, man. Great idea. I just stole it from you, and now I will share it with the world. You know, I'll share it with the entire whole wide world. Yeah, I mean, the video will have 200,000 clicks minimum. Yeah, enough of the bull. I want to show you something else that I told you. I keep everything. Now look at this. Look at this. I even like, you know, this is a beautiful box of the nice Tamiya BF109 Emil. And yeah, this box, I just use it because it's very practical to store the instructions. See, all instructions of past builds, of all the builds I did. And I have to say that, yeah, I could use this. I could use it. I was glad I did this many times before, because I want to read something about the version, about, I don't know, the colors, which colors was exactly used, or which version from which year, where exactly was it located again. Of course you can find it online, but I can quickly check my email box and I have all the instructions in there, it's no problem. So I told you guys about the spare parts that I keep. Spare parts I have in this box in here. Down there, I don't dig it out at the moment right now, but yeah, they are there. They are there, okay? So yeah, please let me know in the comments, down there in the comment section down below, how do you keep your stuff? Or you don't keep it at all? You just throw everything away? Please let me know. I would really, yeah, this, you know, these little details around scale modeling to me is very interesting and very funny, and to read what you guys do. I'm always interested in your opinion and what you think about the topic, especially when it's about, yeah, like I said, these, you know, these detailed topics around the hobby itself. And yeah, please let me know in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, because we want to reach 2K level fast. And yeah, we want to have a bit more traffic, a bit more interactions on the channel. So you know what to do, and I know what to do. I'll keep on here. You can see me cutting a bit more. You can see, you can learn a bit how this is professionally done by a professional scale modeler. Okay, how to cut the art out of the box art. Okay, let's go.